Have you ever stood in front of a towering bridge and wondered how such a feat of engineering came to be? In today's video, we invite you to do just that. Join us as we take you behind the scenes of a modern marvel. Get ready to witness the raw power of specialized machinery that constructs bridges faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. Take a close look at what's happening here. This isn't just ordinary construction. It's the cutting edge of modern engineering. What you're watching is the beginning stage of a bridge being built, and every detail matters. The process starts with preparation. Before any structure rises, engineers study ground conditions measuring depth, soil strength, and water levels. Once the foundation is designed, massive machinery rolls into place. These are specialized giants built for jobs human labor could never achieve safely or quickly. See how the machines position themselves with precision. Every movement is calculated. Each piece of equipment is designed to handle extreme weight and force while staying stable. This is why modern construction achieves what once seemed impossible. What you're seeing here is the foundation work. Without a strong base, no bridge can survive. Machines begin by drilling and driving piles deep into the earth, anchoring the bridge to bedrock. These piles are the hidden strength, making sure the bridge withstands weight, wind, water, and time. Notice how the machinery works in harmony: digging, lifting, drilling, and placing. What would take hundreds of workers' weeks is now done in hours with incredible precision. Modern technology has turned bridge building into an art form where power meets accuracy. This is just the beginning. The foundation is set, the stage is prepared, and soon the marvel will rise. Now look at this stage of the construction process. The groundwork is set, and the real spectacle begins. What you're seeing here is raw power combined with flawless precision. Giant cranes tower over the site, their long arms stretching like the hands of modern giants. Each crane is capable of lifting hundreds of tons, yet it moves with accuracy that feels almost surgical. Watch as machines position enormous steel and concrete elements into place, piece by piece. It's like assembling the world's heaviest puzzle, but with no room for error. Piling rigs are driving deep foundations into the ground, hammering piles into bedrock. The sound of steel striking the earth echoes like a heartbeat across the site. Each strike secures the bridge, ensuring it can stand unshaken by floods, earthquakes, or time. This is the hidden strength of modern infrastructure. What lies below is just as vital as what rises above. Notice how each machine is synchronized. While one crane lifts, another positions, and others transport. The choreography is breathtaking, an orchestra of engineering where every move counts. The workers on site aren't just laborers, they are specialists controlling machines with millimeter precision. One wrong move could mean disaster, but advanced technology reduces errors to almost zero. Sensors, GPS, and computer-assisted controls ensure every pile is straight. Every beam is secure. This is the brilliance of modern construction: speed without compromise, strength without waste. Now watch as the bridge takes shape before your very eyes. Enormous precast concrete segments, each a testament to industrial precision, are transported to the site. These aren't randomly sized blocks, they are the result of meticulous planning and factory-controlled manufacturing. Watch as cranes lift these massive segments and place them with surgical precision onto the supporting structure. It's a delicate dance of strength and accuracy. This isn't just construction, it's a symphony of modern engineering. The rhythmic precision is mesmerizing. And finally, it's complete. As the last segment is secured, the bridge stands proud, a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. It's a marvel of modern engineering, ready to connect communities and facilitate journeys. This bridge is more than just concrete and steel. It's a symbol of progress, a beacon of connectivity, and a promise of safer, smoother journeys.